Here's how you can get free one-on-one help with quitting short-form content. So you are on this video right now. Scroll down till you find the for free one-on-one help with quitting short-form content, and then you can just personally send a message to me on either of these platforms. Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, School, Telegram, whichever platform works for you, send me a message. But if short-form content isn't a problem for you anymore and you want to quit all your digital addictions, then this is for you. I'll help you break free from all your digital addictions in less than 60 days without relying on willpower or discipline. And if you follow the steps but don't get results, I'll personally coach you one-on-one until you do. On top of that, we'll give you a full refund if you regret your decision of joining within 7 days. I used to scroll upwards of 7 hours every single day. I had ambitions of becoming successful and productive, but every time I tried, I would just relapse into scrolling again. Every night I went to bed low-key crying. I was so unhappy with the progress I was making. Every day I had ambitions of building the business, but I just couldn't. This is what my screen time looks like right now, and this is just off the cut. Didn't plan on making this VSL, but here it is. The 25th of November, 18 minutes on Discord, etc., etc. We're building an affiliate program, so this is all productive. I'm messaging clients and business friends. This is all productive. This is with my class, so probably not productive, but I mean, it is what it is. So we'll just go through it real quick. Notion, that's for recording videos. Telegram, I was purchasing Instagram accounts. Flashlight, I was recording some, B-roll. WhatsApp, again, the same. Camera, recording stuff. ChatGPT, etc., etc. Boom, that's it. The thing is, you might feel like your screen time isn't that bad right now, but it really is. You're spending like 2 hours on Instagram, 90 minutes on YouTube, and then a bit of scrolling on your PC, and then you watch some TV shows on the weekend. What does this actually amount to? It amounts to about 5 hours a day, which is actually below the average, so you're most likely above this. But let's just go with 5 hours a day. That's a full-time job working against yourself, and you didn't even sign up for it. Now imagine this. You snap your fingers and the addiction is gone. You wake up and just get straight to work. When the urge to procrastinate hits, the most exciting option you have is to listen to an audiobook, so you just keep working. You're not just more productive, you become the ruthless competitor that your competition is scared of. What is now your biggest weakness could become your greatest advantage. The screen time advantage. Let's calculate your return on this program just for fun. What do you value 1 hour of your time at? $500, $100, $50. Let's just say you value it at minimum wage. If you save 35 hours every single week, which is 5 hours a day, that's 2.4K US dollars a month, every month for the rest of your life. Or over 29K in the first year, and this goes on every single year. That's a Tesla you could buy every year just from the time aspect that screen time is stealing from your life. What about like the focus that you gain from it, the energy, the motivation, the health, clarity, intelligence, attention span, deep work, procrastination, distractions, anxiety and stress, mood, fear of missing out, sleep. And the most important aspect, all these aspects butterfly affecting into each other. So when you get more focused, you'll be able to do more deep work. When you relieve anxiety and stress, you'll have more energy. When you improve your clarity, you'll get more focus, which then gives you more deep work. When you procrastinate less and you have less distractions, you'll be able to do more deep work. What's that worth to you? And guess what? This doesn't take years of grinding or crazy willpower. It just takes a few active hours with my method designed to make quitting easy. And if you don't get the results you want within 2 months, I'll personally mentor you so that you get rid of this addiction for good. And that's if you've actually done the actionable steps here, because I will just tell you, bro, go do that. And then once you've exhausted that and I don't know what to do, I will help you out. Here are all the reasons why the program will work wonders for you. If you've already tried reducing your screen time, but it didn't work, the system has worked for a lot of other people, so it'll probably work for you as well. You can find testimonials on the contact page here, and there's also testimonials here. The program has been optimized to take as little effort as possible. So if you feel like you don't have that much energy during the day, that's no problem. If you don't think screen time is that big of a problem for you, actually go check it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching a video like this. It's very simple to quit with this program. It's not as complicated once I've cut away all the misleading paths. The program takes little of your time and willpower, so you'll still have energy for your business. You'll most likely get more energy already from day one. If you think I'm going to force you to drop Instagram so you can't message leads or friends on Instagram, no worries, I got you there. I got you covered there as well. If you're unsure if you'll get results in the program, remember, you're guaranteed to get results with this. If you think it's too expensive, then I'd like to ask you what you'd pay to be able to snap your fingers right now and the addiction that you have be gone. If you don't know where to start, this is the place, because I'll help you break free from all your digital addictions in less than 60 days without relying on willpower or discipline. And if you follow the steps but don't get results, I'll personally coach you one-on-one until you do. Looking forward to seeing you inside. Now let's get you your screen time advantage. Click on the yellow join button. It should be somewhere around here, down here or something like that. Or you can send me a message like, oh bro, I don't know if this is worth it for me, yada, yada, yada. And we'll talk about it. I even made this jiggle. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, click join. Looking forward to seeing you inside. Send me a message if you're unsure. And yeah, bro, have a good rest of your day.